Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol USAT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. No, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but when you look down here at the movement just from the interest, and interest is just a gauge. You can see that via the volume. A whole lot of people watching this one today. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance to watch going forward. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price could stay up there above $6.50. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $6.50, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 650 would be great. However, grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact that the party stopped today right up there around $6.90. So $6.90 will be public enemy number one going into Wednesday. But really, at least in my opinion, resistance levels don't matter that much. What matters the most right now is what this chart has begun to do. And what is that? Well, you look at where the lows have been. So you had this big old base of lows. Now you have this set of lows right here. And if even right around here, it can be the new base of lows. If you picture those as stair steps, then as long as these stair steps continue to progress in the overall upwards direction, then that is the name of the game. So focus on healthy consolidations and chipping away higher bases, and then just sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.